Well, good morning, and today is July 2nd, and once again we are with a trade vlog. So, Nifty has fallen very badly. If you see, it's fallen from here by 10:10, it's already fallen till here, and now if you see RSI is already in low, oversold. And it's picking up, it's oversold, picking up, oversold, and it's picking up little bit up. Not sure till where it'll be in oversold position. Let's go to 3 minutes chart. Still in oversold, it has to come up. And let's go 5 minutes chart. It's not yet reached oversold. 10 minutes, it still has a chance to go down. And there is a support over here. Let's go to Nifty 50, and anytime it may recover. So when it recovers, this particular stock can be pushed up, or else this stock will go down. Okay, apart from that, let's go to the market movers in this. I'm sure you knowing Airtel. And it's recovering from here. Okay. So if you see, Airtel is also falling. The market will be falling. Is it a next dip or is it going up? Let's see. If it's going up, let's put the top stocks in radar. So just going to Nifty 50 and seeing Bajaj Auto and NTPC. Bajaj Auto and NTPC. These two stocks in my radar for now. If you see, Bajaj Auto is trying to break this mark. It's a very good sign. Example, let's take 1 hour candle. Nifty is 0.56, so 2898 is the highest. So it's opening into 884. Let's go to 1 hour candle. Not breaking this line. So let's go to NTPC and see how it's falling. If you see, NTPC is fallen till here, and now it's already oversold in this line, and now it looks like it's gonna go up. So a little bit of time to get the right direction. Okay, by then let's see if any stock is booming up towards this area. Okay, let's look at this chart. It has broken HPCL, right? HPCL, those Don Pedro. So this is the one. You see, this is the right. Currently this stock is moving a bit. So these are the stocks which are in my radar for now. If you see, even this is moving back. If this is moving back, it's a good sign. $287. If there's a green candle above, definitely it's gonna break now. Looks like a green candle. So it's a 30 rupees stock, so keeping 30 rupees down is 2860, 2860 buy. Okay, so exactly bought at 2890 itself. So around 8 rupees or 50 paisa is 0.3% profit, because it's a 28 rupees stock, right? 28 to 13, 29 rupees stock. So the 0.3% is only 8 rupees 50 paisa, a big stock. So minimum target is 2898 or 2899, sorry, 99, yeah, 2899 is the minimum target for this particular stock. Let's see if this is here. Okay, and looking at the chart, the 1 hour candle which I told you is breaking now, and it is going to our target, and we just touched our target of 2899. Bracket orders, put up a bracket order for all the beginners. It's done, and I always recommend bracket order for all the beginners, because later it's difficult to exit. We always take a risk over here, considering what if the stock booms up from there, or else we also exit near 0.3%. And These videos are for only observation and understanding the market with experience, so please do not try this at home. Always get trained, and that is when you have to take your decisions. Currently now 2899 looks like the resistance. It has to break 2899 for now, and let's look at the chart of 1 minute. Currently over here, okay, it's right time 900, 902, 902, right time. So I'm done with my profit. Okay, I'm not greedy enough to wait for whether the stock will go higher or low. The reason I'm exiting soon for now is because even the stock is moving, is because if you see market is already negative, negative 0.57, but if you see market fell from here. Okay, market fell, but if you see market was in oversold region, too many into oversold region, and it's very difficult for the market to dip more and more. Okay, and it will definitely recover a bit. If you see it's recovered a little bit or it is stagnant over there. During this time we have two types of stock. One is the negative loser or the positive loser. Also has fallen in such a way that he doesn't have strength to get up for now, or later he may fall down. Okay, that is why I kept NTPC. See, he may fall down or he may recover a bit and later he may fall. See, if I tell you NTPC, if I had taken NTC and put a sell over this, if you see again it's recovered a bit because it's oversold. The market, the technicals are telling it's oversold. So the logic is not right way to sell the stock again and take a risk over here. So what I did, I know it's oversold. Nifty will the whole market will recover a little bit or it will be stagnant for some time. So that is why I chose the top stock for the day, Bajaj Auto. So I chose the top stock for the day, Bajaj Auto, and considering the recovery of the market, I immediately took this particular stock at the price of 2889, and for 13, almost 2903, for 13 rupees I sold this stock. So it's almost half a percent of the stock, 10% profit. Okay, so if you see the stock has boomed up to 912, almost 1%, close to 1, going to 1%. If you see, so look at the chart. I'll just show you the 1 hour candle for now. This is how the stock has gone up, and finally end of the day we have made a profit. We are happy with the profit. Thank you so much for watching these videos, and if you're liking such videos, then hit this like video and support me, and hit the subscribe button, share this video. See you soon in my next video. Question answer videos I'll be doing soon. I didn't get some time, but I will definitely do part by part. I'm planning for that also, so I'll take all your questions and I'll do part by part videos, so I can do more videos for you guys. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.